Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by narrowing who you want to reach. Be specific about job titles and pain points so your messaging lands. Once done, optimize your profile for conversion. Crisp photo, one-line bio that states value, and a clear CTA with a link. Next, commit to a cadence, 3 posts per week plus 1 pinned offer, because frequency builds familiarity. Then, create 5 content ideas that solve a problem. Use them to draft your first week of posts and schedule immediately. You now move into doing the work. Run advanced search with keywords and filters to find recent, relevant conversations. This is where leads appear. Then engage deliberately. Comment with insight on 10 target accounts per day, add value before asking anything, and avoid spray and pray sales pitches. At the same time, publish mixed format content, threads for depth, short tweets for frequency, polls for engagement, and make sure each piece has one clear CTA so interested people know that you finish by converting interest into leads. Invite engaged users to DM, offer a booking link, or gate a valuable asset in exchange for contact info. Once leads arrive, track source and response rate in a simple sheet so you can follow up consistently. If things stall, troubleshoot quickly, /B test one element at a time, like CTA wording or post timing, and iterate every 7 days. Make sure to remove friction. Fewer steps to book or download means more conversion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.